WhatsApp and go for the test, and I have sent you in the WhatsApp. So, Surajita, check your WhatsApp. Check your WhatsApp, and you will get the test. Pragata Patro,
Good
last
morning,
day.
sir.
Good morning, everybody. Pragata Patro, you did not submit the writing, reverse writing of question and answer. Hello, Pragata
স্যার আমি
Patro.
বুঝতে পারি না কোনগুলো যেগুলো বলেছিলাম সেগুলো লিখেছিলাম মানে কোনগুলো রিভার্স রাইটিং বলতে কোনগুলো বুঝতে পারছি না।
Reverse bole to just reverse. What do you want to be in the future?
হুম
Starting, and I want to be a professor of mathematics. So starting from the end to first. What is your name? Hello?
স্যার লেখা আছে তাতে লিখছি।
Okay. You send it. Now I have sent in your group WhatsApp. I have just sent a few, one or two like that. A few test it, worksheet. Complete it within 30 minutes and give me the reply.
স্যার এই যেটা পাঠিয়েছেন হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে
Yes. Only 20 to
স্যার ওটা কি
22
করবো?
worksheet. Yes, write the answer and send it to me right now. 30 minutes time. Just sheet number 1, 2, whatever you write, just sheet number 1, 2, like write the title. Write the title, let me introduce, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and you just fill it up and send me. What is the have you got that? Miss Pratishtha Samanta, have you got the WhatsApp? Group WhatsApp, I have just now WhatsApp all of you in the group. Pratishtha Samanta, did you get the WhatsApp?
Sir?
Did you get the WhatsApp? I have now just sent a few worksheets for introduce yourself, testing. Like let me introduce. Yes. 30 minutes is your time, and now you complete all the worksheets. Only big worksheet you will there. How to introduce yourself, character, personality, like that.
সবগুলোই কি লিখে ফেলবো?
Yes. 30 minutes is your time. How many you can? How many of them have completed, Mr. Provoto? Yes. Only 22 6 has been sent, not more than that. How many have you completed? Okay, Pratishtha Samanto. So, Ms. Saran, have you got all the WhatsApp? Complete it one by one. Okay. Now I'll also ask question and you will also give answer. Pratishtha Samant, after a long time, okay, no problem. You just give me your introduction from the start to finish. I think you have forgotten in the last competition on Sunday. Yesterday you made many mistakes. Not but many you have forgotten. So give me your introduction first. Pratishtha Samant from Jagatpur. Pratishtha, switch on your camera and give me your introduction first. Pratishtha Samanto. Introduce yourself. Where is your sister? Is she with you? Can I see your sister also? How old is she? Pratishtha Samanto, is your sister with you?
No,
Okay, introduce yourself.
my name is Pratishtha Samanta. He is a cable businessman. My mother's name is Mrs. Samanta.
Switch on your mic. No. Switch on your microphone, Pratishtha. Microphone is on, okay. Oh, yes, on. I can get it. It is on. Now tell me.
I live at Jagatpur. I am from Jagatpur. The name of our school is Jagatpur 1 number primary school. I study in class 4. I am an Indian girl. My birthday is on 4 June 2011. My favorite subject is English. My favorite color is red. My favorite. I am fond of mango. I am fond of chicken. My favorite pet is
Not
baby
found.
dog.
Not found. No. Not found. I am fond of. I'm writing in the chat. Fond. Fond. Fond of.
I am fond of mango. I am fond of chicken. My favorite pet is baby dog. My favorite sport is Ludo. My hobbies are reading, playing, dancing, and I want to be a teacher in future. Thank you.
Okay. I want to be. I have modified it. I want to be a teacher in the future. You will say from now. What you will say in the future? I'm writing in the chat. I want to be a teacher in the future. Can you check it? The chat. In okay.
Yes.
Can you see the chat?
Yes.
Chat option. Yes. I am fond of and I want to be a teacher in the future. You will correct these two. Okay. Can you tell me something about my favorite subject is this? My favorite pet is a dog or cat. My favorite sport is that. My favorite subject, pet, dish, color. I'm writing. Subject, dish, pet, color, toy, sport. Check it. Subject is pet, color, toy, sport. My favorite subject is that, this is that, pet is that, color is that, toy is that, sport is that. Okay. Tell me now. Pratishtha.
Yes.
Ma- Yes, I have chatted you. My favorite subject is color, pet, toy, sport. My favorite subject is this. My favorite pet is this, like that.
My favorite subject is English. My favorite dish is chicken. My favorite pet is baby dog. My favorite color is red. My favorite toy is Barbie doll. My favorite sport is Ludo.
Okay, there are some corrections. When you say about toy and pet, you will add a. My pet is a. What is your pet?
My favorite pet is baby dog.
Hmm. Okay, baby doll or Barbie doll, whatever. I am writing Barbie doll. Like my favorite pet is a.
স্যার
Yes.
আমি বলছি যেগুলো এই বললেন সেগুলো লিখতে বললেন তো মানে লেট মি ইন্ট্রোডিউস মাই সেলফ ওই ওরকম ভাবে প্রথমে লেখা আছে ওটা দিলে তো
যেগুলো গ্যাপ পূরণ আছে, গ্যাপ পূরণ।
ঠিক আছে
ফর্ম ফিল আপ, ফর্ম ফিল আপ। লেট মি ইন্ট্রোডিউস বলে লিখবি, ওতে যেগুলো আছে সেটা লিখবি, এরকম আর কি। ওকে, প্রতিষ্ঠা। So you will say
Yes.
my favorite pet is a dog, like that, or my favorite toy is a Barbie doll. এই দুটো তুমি কারেক্ট লিখবে, ঠিক আছে? এই
Yes.
দুটো কারেক্ট করবে। বাকিগুলো সব ঠিক আছে। Okay, can you write the questions? So what I corrected, I want to be a teacher. Write what I corrected. I want to be a teacher in the future. Number one,
Yes, sir.
my favorite pet is a. My favorite toy is a.
Pet.
Is a, whatever you write, the dog, cat, whatever you can write. My favorite toy is a.
Sir.
I want to be a teacher. Yes.
ওই আই এম ফ্রম বলে একটা ব্র্যাকেটে কান্ট্রি দেওয়া আছে ওখানে কি ইন্ডিয়া লিখতে হবে?
I am from India. Of course. I am from India. আমরা বলি I am from, আমি প্রতিষ্ঠা সামন্ত বলবে I am from জগৎপুর. জগৎপুর is a place. I am from Khanakul. I am from Hugli. I am from Arambagh. I am from West Bengal. I am from India. Right? প্রতিষ্ঠা, বুঝতে পেরেছো? তাহলে বেবি ডগ আমরা কি বলি? মাই ফেভারিট পেট ইজ এ পাপি। প্রতিষ্ঠা,
স্যার
বেবি ডগ বলি না, বেবি ডগ তো আমরা কি বলি?
স্যার
পাপি, পাপি। ওকে, Sanidha, tell me.
there are 6 people in my family তারপর একটা they are মানে
কি বলেছে? What?
এখানে বলেছে they are মানে আমি কি লিখবো এখানটায়?
না না, প্রথম লাইনটা বল, কি বললি আগে?
প্রথমে আগেরটায় লিখেছে there are 6 people in my family তারপর দিয়েছে they are
সিক্স
dash
কি? সিক্স কি?
people।
হ্যাঁ, 6 পিপল মানে লোকজন। তোর বাড়িতে কজন আছে?
হ্যাঁ সেটা তো বুঝতে পেরেছি, তারপরেরটা they are dash মানে এর মানে আমি কি লিখবো?
তারা হলো কে? তারা হলো, একটা লিখবি এলিফ্যান্ট, তারপরে একটা লিখবি টাইগার, এলিফ্যান্ট,
মাদার
টাইগার,
ফাদার লিখবো তো স্যার, মাদার ফাদার
এলিফ্যান্ট।
লিখতে হবে?
আমি জানি না, তাই বলে দিচ্ছি কি কি লিখবি। এলিফ্যান্ট, টাইগার, তারপরে ক্যাট। বুঝতে পেরেছিস?
হ্যাঁ স্যার মাদার ফাদার লিখতে হবে।
ফাদার, মাদার, ব্রাদার, সিস্টার, গ্র্যান্ডফাদার, গ্র্যান্ডমাদার, তোমার বাড়িতে যেটা আছে, বুঝেছ? They are my parents, my sister, my grandmother and grandfather, like that. Mr. Prabhat Patra, tell me about your father. Mr. Prabhat Patra, tell me about your father. Mr. Prabhat Patra, tell me about your father. I cannot switch on. My God. Sanidha Ghosh,
Yes,
tell me about your father.
my father's name is Mr. Biswajit Ghosh. He is a cable businessman. He is 47 years old. He
Okay.
supplies cable and internet in many
What
homes.
is cable? Oh, no. What is cable? What is cable? Cable. বাংলায় কেবিল, ইংলিশে কি কেবিল? কেবল, CABLE। কোথায় আই আছে? CABIL আছে? টেবিল
না।
উচ্চারণ কত? টেবিল, টেবিল উচ্চারণ কত? টেবিল।
Table.
হ্যাঁ, টেবিল নয়, টেবিল। ইংলিশে TABLE। তাহলে মাঝখানে হর্ষই নেই তো, TABIL নয়, TABLE, তাহলে আই নেই, তাহলে টেবিল। তাহলে কেবিল নয়, কেবল। কেবল, যেমন টেবিল সমান কেবল।
He plays carom very well. He won many prizes playing carom. Her favorite.
Okay. What is her favorite? Oh my God!
His favorite.
Your father is a female? No.
No, male.
So his favorite.
His favorite dish is biryani. His
But he
hobbies
never
are-
invited me whenever you make a biryani at your home. So last Sunday, what did you eat? Chili chicken, biryani or mutton? What did you eat?
chicken curry.
So you never, okay. You never invited me. Why? You are eating chicken, big katla fishes and many things, but not inviting me. Sir, please come taste how my mother has cooked. Have you ever invited me? Hello? Have you ever invited that, sir, please come, how my mother has cooked? Only one day, I went to your house and then your mother cooked some chicken. But whenever is chicken, biryani is made, no invitation from you. Why this happens? Can you explain? Okay, you cannot. Hello?
Hello, sir.
Why no invitation? Sanidha goes, no problem. Okay, continue. That is English conversation. You have to talk.
His
Sir, it is
favorite.
not. Yes, it is English
Ma'am,
conversation. You have to tell, sir, on Saturday, on Sunday, on every Sunday, at our home, my mother cooks chicken. It is normal. At your home, you may also get it. So I do not invite you. But if there is any occasion, function, I will definitely invite you. Right?
yes,
You invite me or not, but you can say, "Nah, sir, please come. No problem. Today we will cook rice and vegetable dals. Please come." Will I go there? No.
sir.
So,
Sir, এই
right?
ড্যাশটাতে আছে my father is a dash and my mother কেন লেখা আছে?
My mother. It
না,
is.
my mother
If it
তো
is.
হয় না। My mother
হ্যাঁ,
is a হলে টিচার হবে।
So you can
সেখানে
correct
আছে
it.
my mother
You can correct it. No. Is there
Yes,
anything that there is wrong? You have to do it wrongly. You can correct it. My father is a cable businessman and my mother is a teacher. You can correct it. No issue.
Sir,
Yes.
my favorite sport is a ludo হবে আটা যোগ হবে
No. Not a. Only pet and toy.
Oh,
A will be added only for pet and toy. My favorite pet is a puppy.
my favorite toy is a Barbie doll এরকম বললে হবে
Yes. That is. My favorite toy is a Barbie doll. I'm writing on chat, you write it.
Okay.
Pratishtha, can you check?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir?
write it. Yes.
I would like to be a dash because
Sir.
কি লিখবো?
স্যার
Whatever you got. Yes.
বলছি যে মাই ফাদার ইজ আ ড্যাশ বলে লেখা আছে তারপর and my mother
What does your father do?
oh
What does your father
sir.
do? My father is a teacher and my mother is a
sir.
homemaker, housewife.
okay
Right?
sir
Pratishtha, I've written in also WhatsApp and also chat, right? My favorite pet is a puppy. My favorite toy is a Barbie doll. I've written it on WhatsApp or also in the chat. You can check it. Okay.
স্যার এটা কি হবে? I would like to be dash because
Oh my God, I'd like to be a fashion designer in the future. It's a modern English. I want to be a fashion designer. I love to be a fashion designer. I dream to be a fashion designer. I wish to be a fashion designer. I determine to be a fashion designer. I fix my mind to be a fashion designer. How many would you like to learn, Miss? There are 2,000 parts for that. Would you like to learn, Miss Shanita Ghosh? There are 2,000. There are 2,000 verbs like that. 2,000. এরকম 2,000টা আছে, কতগুলো তুমি শিখতে চাও? টেল মি। হ্যালো,
হ্যাঁ
I want to be a fashion designer in the future. এই কথাটাকে 2000টা স্টাইলে আমি জানি। তো কতগুলো তুমি শিখতে চাও? হাউ মেনি উড ইউ লাইক টু লার্ন? কতগুলো তুমি শিখতে চাইবে? তুমি যতগুলো শিখতে চাইবে সেগুলো বলে দেওয়া হবে, আর পরের দিন তোমাকে মুখস্থ বলতে হবে। কতগুলো চাইবে এবার বলো। হ্যালো সানিদা, ঘুমিয়ে পড়েছিস?
না,
আর স্লিপিং? তাহলে বলছি তো এটা 2000 ভাবে বলা যায়। তুমি কত ভাবে শিখতে চাও?
আমি 2000 ভাবে শিখবো।
আচ্ছা তাহলে ঠিক আছে, তোমাকে বলে দেওয়া হবে। তুমি ততগুলো কিন্তু তোমার বলতে হবে, ভিডিও বানিয়ে পাঠাতে
কবে?
হবে আমার। যবে তুমি
ভিডিও?
চাইবে তার আগের দিন বলে দেবো। হ্যাঁ
হ্যালো স্যার,
হ্যাঁ।
আমি
তাহলে
বলছি
কিছু
স্যার
কিছু আমি তোমাকে বলে দিচ্ছি। I dream to be, I like to be, I love to be. Okay, I'm writing on the chat. Love to be. সবাই এটা লিখে নিও। তাহলে আমি লাভ, আমি একটা একটা ওয়ার্ড লিখে দিচ্ছি। লাভ, সানিদা, ড্রিম, থিঙ্ক, বিলিভ, ফিক্স, ডিটারমাইন, iron determine, love, dream, think, believe, fix, determine, iron determine, like, বুঝেছিস?
হ্যাঁ,
মানে I love to be, I dream to be, I think to be, I believe to be, I fix to be, I determine to be, I iron determine to be. আচ্ছা, to be এর জায়গায় আমরা become লিখতে পারি। to be টাকে রিপ্লেস করে দিয়ে দেখ এবার ঘুরিয়ে ফিরিয়ে কম্বিনেশন কর, অনেক হয়ে যাবে। প্রথমে I want to be, I love to be, I dream to be, I think to be, I believe to be, I fix to be, I determine to be, I iron determine to be, I like to be। হলো? এরপর হবে I love to become, I love to dream, I love to think, I love to believe, I love to fix, I love to determine, I love to become। তাহলে I love to become, I dream to become, I think to become, I believe to become, I fix to become, I determine to become, I don't determine to become, I like to become। বুঝতে পারছিস? সানিদা ঘোষ ফ্রম গণেশপুর। আন্ডারস্টুড? হ্যাঁ, এইগুলো যোগ করো, দেখো অনেকগুলো হয়ে যাবে, 200টা হয়ে যাবে প্রায়। ঠিক আছে, ঘুরিয়ে ফিরিয়ে। যেমন I love to be, I dream to be, I think to be, I believe to be, fix to be, I determine to be, I don't determine to be, I like to be। হলো? এবার বি গুলোকে সব উঠিয়ে দাও। I love to become, I love to dream, I love to think, I love to believe, I love to fix, I determine to become, I determine, I don't determine to become। এরকম করে করে বিভিন্ন রকম কম্বিনেশন এবারে চেঞ্জ করতে পারবে। এবারে টুটাকে হটিয়ে দিয়ে আমরা কি করব? বিং। টুটাকে হটিয়ে দিয়ে টু বির জায়গায় কি বলবো? টু বির জায়গায় ওটাকে না বলে বিং। আই লাভ বিং এ
ফ্যাশন ডিজাইনার।
হ্যাঁ, তাহলে I love being a fashion designer in the future. I dream being a fashion designer. I think being a, I believe being a, I fix being a। দেখ কতগুলো হচ্ছে, বুঝতে পেরেছিস?
স্যার, স্যার আমি এবারে
হুম।
এটা এবার করছি।
হুম।
In my free time, I also like drawing.
Hobbies, hobbies means free time activity. Hobbies
I
means
also
whatever activity we do. I also like that. I also like daydreaming, reading storybook, going abroad, going to many places with my father. I love being visiting new places with my dad. I also love to go to the market. I also love to play with my sister. I also do fighting with my sister. Like that. Whatever you do.
yes.
Drawing, dancing, singing. Other than that, I love to read storybooks. read comic books, read detective books like that. Sanida, Sanida, you are clear?
Yes.
Okay. Who's on the line?
আছে আই লাভ ফ্রুট, তারপরে লিখেছে বাট ক্যানট স্ট্যান্ড, ওটার মানেটা কি?
I love dash fruit, but I
হ্যাঁ
cannot stand with that dislike and like. What you like? First, I like the fruit apple or apple,
হুম,
but I cannot stand with what you dislike.
হুম,
What you like, you write the first. I love apple, but I cannot stand with banana. That is to say, I love apple, but I do not like banana.
ওকে স্যার।
Okay.
Sir,
Yes. Question, please.
my mother is ওখানে একটা ছিল my mother is and ছিল mother is টা কি লিখবো?
Yes,
ছাড়া
yes.
আর
Ye-
ও,
Okay, that is the format. You will write is. My father is a cable businessman, but my mother is a homemaker. My mother is a you definitely right. I've already written in the chat. Pratishtha, can you check it on your chat?
yes sir.
Yeah. I've written also the same in WhatsApp and chat both. Surajita, check the chat. I like apple, but I cannot stand with banana, right? Surajita Roy. Hello? Surajita Roy, are you there? Surajita.
স্যার দেখে নিয়েছি।
Okay. Like that, the meaning is I
হ্যাঁ
like something, I cannot stand with. That is to say, I hate it. I dislike it.
Sir,
Yes.
I would like to be a ওটা কি করতে হবে?
Same. I would like to be a fashion designer in the future. That is also different style. I like to be, I would be, I would like to become, same meaning. That is to say, I want to be a fashion designer. For you, if Pratishtha says, I would like to be a primary school teacher in the future. If Sanita say, I want to be I would like to be a fashion designer.
Sir,
Soumik
because
Soren,
they are good. I like to teaching.
because for what? I love drawing. For Sanita Ghosh, for Pratishtha Samanto, I love teaching. For Soumik Soren, I love teaching. For Surojita Roy, my family members, my grandfather was a doctor. For Pogoto Patro, I love doing math. Or my father is also good at math, and I am inspired by my father because I am inspired to become a professor of mathematics, getting inspired by my father. I also love the subject. Because I love mathematics, so I want to be a professor of mathematics. I love drawing and painting like that, so I love to be a fashion designer. My grandfather was a doctor, so I'm inspired Because my grandfather was a doctor and I am inspired to become a doctor. For Sanidhya Ghosh, I love drawing, painting, and doing new designs. So I want to be a fashion designer. Pratishtha Samanto, I love teaching. I love teaching. Love teaching. Uh, Fashion designing. Uh-huh.
Sir? Sir? Hello, sir?
Switch on your microphone, Sanidhya, and ask me.
My favorite place is মানে স্যার আমার প্রিয় জায়গাটা লিখবো
Only the full sentence. Read the full sentence.
স্যার
My favorite place. Anything else?
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes. Yeah. Ask me.
I study ইংলিশ বইয়ে লেখা আছে ওটার ইংলিশের বদলে ম্যাথমেটিক্স লিখলে হবে?
You can.
মানে ওই মানে শেষেরটা আই স্টাডি ম্যাথ ইংলিশ বলে লেখা আছে, ইংলিশটা মানে ইংলিশটার বদলে ম্যাথমেটিক্স লিখলে চলবে?
You can write anything, any subject, and you will write because I study mathematics because you will explain it.
ওকে স্যার।
It is an example. You can study English, you can study mathematics, you can study so many subjects, right?
ইয়েস স্যার, ইয়েস স্যার।
Yes. So whatever you want, you can write.
ইয়েস।
It is just for an example that this is a subject. You have to write the name of the subject you love to
Yes.
study.
ওকে স্যার।
Yeah.
স্যার এখানে বলেছে আই ডোন্ট লাইক ট্রাভেলিং, আই হ্যাভ বিন টু মানে স্যার
It is
Hello,
present
sir.
perfect tense. It is a present perfect tense. Be means to go somewhere. I was in Kolkata. That is to say, I went to Kolkata, right?
আই ডোন্ট লাইক ট্রাভেলিং মানে আমি কি করব এটা?
Oh, you have to fill up the gap with correct words.
আই লাইক ট্রাভেলিং।
I like traveling. Then traveling means going from one place to another, visiting. I went to Digha, like that. Travel means I went to Digha. I traveled to Digha.
হ্যাঁ, আই হ্যাভ বিন টু দীঘা।
Hmm. Yes. What is the meaning of the word be? B-E-B. What is the meaning of the word be? Sanida Khota, I'm asking.
ইয়েস,
What is the meaning of the word B-E-B?
বি
Verb. Yes. Be
বি
means to become. Yes, be means to become or stay. Like I am in Ganeshpur. What is the meaning of this sentence? In Bengali.
থাকি।
Yes. Or I want to be a fashion designer. What is the meaning of this word be?
আমি ভবিষ্যতে ফ্যাশন ডিজাইনার হতে চাই।
Yes, what is the meaning of this word be? হওয়া। কোনো কিছু হওয়া। কোনো কিছু হওয়া বা থাকাকে কি বলে বি, রাইট? So I have been. Be verb third form is been. I have been means in Bengali আমি থেকেছি. I have been. Oh my God! Have you studied that the fair? Have you studied about the fair? Who is the little girl in your text? That the girl is she is a little girl. She lives at Sugnagar.
ইয়েস,
What is the name of the little girl who stays? Who was in Sugnagar? From your
Lipi.
textbook. Huh?
লিপি।
Lipi. Lipi has never been to a fair. Have you read it? Sanidha Ghosh.
ইয়েস,
Lipi has never been to a fair. What is the meaning of this sentence in Bengali?
লিপি কখনো মেলায় যায়নি।
Hmm. Lipi has been to Digha. What will be the meaning?
লিপি দীঘা গেছে।
Have you understood now?
ইয়েস,
Okay. So you have not studied your textbook very well. Read well the textbook for sentence patterns. I also tried to teach you some sentence pattern like the dust made the lady sneeze. Can you remember? The dust made the lady sneeze.
ইয়েস আমার
One,
Yes, I remember.
I once tried to explain you different sentence patterns from your textbooks.
Yes.
So Lipi has never been, so I have been to that place. So if you have studied well your textbook, you can learn a lot of sentence patterns. So try to understand the sentence patterns from your textbook. So you can make many sentences. Pratishtha Samanto, tell me about your Progoto. You have raised your hand. What is your question? Mr. Progoto Patro.
হ্যালো স্যার, বলছি আপনি ওই
Yes.
মানে তারপরের পাতার ইন্ট্রোডিউস ইয়োরসেলফ লিখেছে ইউ ক্যান কল মি ড্যাশ বলে, এখানটা কি নাম লিখে দিতে হবে?
You can call me Progoto. My name is Progoto Patro. আমার নাম প্রগত পাত্র। আপনি আমাকে প্রগত বলে ডাকতে পারেন। এটা বলিস কথায়?
আরে তুই
That is
বলে
it.
ডাকতে যাচ্ছি, নাম্বারে কল করতে হবে।
Oh my God. No. You are introducing yourself. That is, someone is asking.
Yes.
That introduce yourself, and you are telling him. So you will say, my name is Progoto Patro, but you can call me Progoto. Do you understand the context, Mr. Patro Progoto?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is like that. আমার নাম প্রগত পাত্র, কিন্তু আপনি আমাকে প্রগত বলেও ডাকতে পারেন। That is the meaning.
Sir,
Yes.
my
So
favorite
I am asking all the students. All the students I am just speaking in Bengali. যখন আমি এই জিনিসগুলো বলছি প্রত্যেকের প্রশ্ন, তো প্রত্যেকে তোরা শুনছিস তো অন্যজনকে যেটা বলছি?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, শুনছি।
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
ওইটা শুনতে হবে, বুঝে নিতে হবে। That is the purpose of this class. So you will also within 24 hours the lecture will be recorded. You will also go through each and every lecture, so you can learn English better and at faster rate. তাহলে তোমরা ইংরেজিটা ফটাফট শিখে যাবে, ঠিক আছে? রেকর্ড গুলো দেখতে হবে। Okay, whoever has question, ask me question. Someone has raised hand. সুরচিতা রয়।
হ্যাঁ স্যার, বলছি আমার ওই নিচে যেগুলো দেয়া আছে যে পার্সোনাল ইন্ট্রোডাকশন, ওগুলোও কি লিখতে হবে, মানে সবগুলো যেগুলো দিয়েছেন ওরকম?
Everything 24. Whatever you have in the question, write the head title and finish it off. শেষ করে দাও সব।
sir,
Yes, Somik Soren. I go for Somik Soren. Somik, ask me.
নো স্যার। স্যার ওটাই
No
ছিল,
question.
ওই যেটা সুচিতা দিদি যেটা বললো ওটাই জিজ্ঞেস করতে
Okay.
যাচ্ছিলাম। হ্যাঁ, ওগুলো স্যার লিখবো?
Yes, everything you have to finish. There are different styles. So you know about lot of more styles. Right?
ইয়েস স্যার।
So have you any question?
নো স্যার।
স্যার আমি বলছি এখানে বাংলা অক্ষর লিখেন দি মোমেন্ট আই লিভ ইন বলে, ওইটা কি বুঝাচ্ছে না?
Hand is there.
হ্যালো
So ask me. I am getting.
স্যার, এই যে লিখেছে আই
I'm
ওয়াজ
getting.
বর্ন, তারিখটা লেখার পর অ্যাট দি মোমেন্ট আই লিভ ইন বলে ড্যাশ দেওয়া আছে, এখানে কি লিখবো?
Yes, I was born on 10th March in 9. I cannot get your voice clear. Can you repeat it?
না, আমি বলছি আপনি ওখানটা মানে ওই যে ওই বাক্যটা আছে আই এম 12 ইয়ার্স ওল্ড, তারপরে বাক্য আই ওয়াজ born on, এরপর তারিখটা লিখেছে at the moment I did, তারপরে ব্র্যাকেট দিয়ে আছে ওখানটা বলুন।
At the moment I
at the moment I live in,
at the moment
তারপরে
I live in
ব্র্যাকেট।
Modharango. At the moment I live in Modharango. Like if you are in out of state, suppose you are in Maharashtra or Mumbai, Delhi, you have come to Rajhati or Modharango, then you will write I was in or I lived in Mumbai, but at the moment I live in Modharango, right? But you are
Yes.
in Modharango, so you will write at the moment I live in Modharango. Many people are there, so they live from one place to another. They go like if somebody is in Modharango and his father or parents are going to Mumbai, so then the boy will write like I was in West Bengal, but at the moment I live in Mumbai. Can you get my point, Mr. Pogoto?
Yes, sir.
Some people I was in Mumbai. Gone to Mumbai. At the moment I live in Horichok for me. Mr. Pogoto, is your doubt clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir,
Pratishtha Samanta, have you any doubt? Yes, ask me.
my favorite day of the week is Sunday because ওই দিন আমাদের লাইভ ক্লাস হয়। এটা ইংরাজিটা কি হবে?
Yes, tell me.
My
So can
favorite,
you my
my
favorite
favorite day
my favorite day of the week?
because
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday,
হ্যাঁ,
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Out of 7, which one you like most?
because দিয়ে মানে
Because Sunday is a holiday. Because Sunday is a holiday. You can write like my favorite day of the week is Sunday because Sunday is the holiday.
it is
You
our
can write your
holiday.
yes, sir, Sunday is a holiday, not your everyone's holiday. Because Sunday is a holiday. If you write Sunday, I cannot get you. Can repeat?
I study at
I study at Simulia Primary School. I study in class 4. But if it is at, I study at Simulia Primary School. Name of your institution.
Hello.
হ্যালো হ্যালো
Hello.
স্যার স্যার চলে গেছে?
Hello, sir.
হ্যালো
Hello.
কাট করে দিয়েছে। কাট করে দিয়েছে।